Can you find the equivalent resistance between X and Y in just a few seconds? This looks tricky at first, but it's actually very simple. Once you spot the trick, pause the video right now and comment your answer before proceeding for the solution. Let's see how many of you can solve it correctly. Welcome to Electrical Engineering XYZ, where we solve electrical engineering problems in the simplest way. Let's proceed to solution. The two right blocks connect from the middle node to the far right vertical wire, but that far right wire is connected to nothing else externally. It is a dangling, floating branch. That means no current can leave the middle node and return through any external path. So the whole right side part does not affect the equivalent resistance between X and Y. So we can ignore the right side completely. The remaining circuit has two rectangular blocks, and each rectangle contains two 1 kilo ohms resistors in parallel. For two equal resistors in parallel, the equivalent resistance becomes half of one of them. So 1 kilo ohms divided by 2 becomes 500 ohms. Next, add 500 ohms in series to obtain 1 kilo ohms. Now the entire circuit is simplified to the 1 kilo ohms resistors in parallel. Afterwards, solve two 1 kilo ohms in parallel to obtain final 500 ohms. Did you get the correct answer? Subscribe to Electrical Engineering XYZ for more quick and easy electrical engineering solutions.